Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Ren, and basically I run Rocket Ship SEO, which is an SEO firm. We're based out of Colorado Springs, and we do this for people all over the U.S. Basically, there's a lot of companies out there, and they all want exactly the same thing. They want to be found, they want business. The best way of doing that is ranking for the right stuff on Google. And you guys have an advantage because you're watching this video and you're listening to me, and you'll be surprised how many people will think they know everything already. So, they'll never get anywhere in life. But hey, check it out. I'm going to show you this video. I'm going to go over quite a few things, and hopefully within these 5 or 6 minutes, you guys can understand exactly what I do, know how to rank your website, and you guys can choose to do it yourself. But at the end of the video, if you like what you hear, you want to give me a call, then I'll give you my phone number, and you guys can give me a call, and we could sit down and talk business. But if not, you guys want to try this yourself, by all means, it's fine. I'm cool with that. So I'm going to get started and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is content. Everything throughout your front page is content, and basically you have a good amount compared to some of your competitors. I usually suggest at least 1,500 words of content on your front page. So you guys are short of that. You have maybe 100 or 200 words here, so another 1,000 to 1,300 words, and you guys would be fine. You just need to make it look like it flows. You need to make it flow so that people can zoom through it and be like, okay, cool. But if you guys can do that, you would definitely help you benefit wise. I don't see your pages. You have a few, but definitely not a whole lot. So you're not going to be ranking on your pages either. Really, it's going to be mostly your front page. Now, David Ayler, he's one of your main competitors. He doesn't have a lot of content on his front page. As a matter of fact, he's doing terrible on his front page. But for some reason, he's actually ranking really well. But you want to know why? It's because all his pages, he's got so many pages on pages and subpages. Basically, that is why he's ranking for what he is. So if he didn't have all these pages right here, he would not be ranking very high. But a lot of his pages are, so I'm going to show you why. Now, Lawyers Charleston SC, this gets about 100 searches on average every month. But this isn't the word I'm going to stick with the whole time. I'm going to just do this for an example, just to show you what this area does and how you rank in it. So this area right here is what we call a map pack. And the map pack is determined its ranking based off of a lot of factors, actually well over 20. But the main factor that you need to worry about is these two things, your ratings. Okay, so that's definitely a factor, and something it's not really something you can affect. You can affect it, but one of the main things I want to help you that will be able to affect it the most is something called citations. Citations are basically your business's name, address, and phone number submitted to different directories throughout the web. So the more citations you have, the more you're going to rank within the map pack, and just speaking in general speak. So Evan Guthrie Law Firm, he's 20.8 miles away, but he's ranking before this guy who's 14 miles away. And this is a non-biased search engine. You can see it's in incognito mode, so this is not, I haven't clicked on any of these before, and there's no cookies attached, which is important because search engines usually rely on cookies. So you can see that these guys right here, these guys are beating them. Well, why are they doing that? That's because they have 104 citations. These guys have 22. That's why. Now, we can take citations from people in that tool called whitespark.ca. That's what this tool is right here. You can see whitespark.ca. We can come in here and take citations, but I have access to 450 different directories, so we don't have to do that. We can submit to 150 and beat these guys. No problem. Now, this next thing I want to talk to you about is actually this very lucrative term right here, Lawyers in Charleston SC. This is a great search term and gets a lot of competition. So this obviously is something you want to be. You can see David Ayler just on his front page is ranking for it, and I'm going to show you why. He didn't have a lot of content, but the things he did have is what's pulling it up. So I'm going to show you exactly why they're doing that, and that's because of something called backlinks. The third and last thing I'm going to talk to you about, but one of the most important. Backlinks are basically when other websites are linking to your website. A link back from another website. Now, basically, there's a lot of wrongs that people do with these, and you need the rights, and I'm going to show you the differences. Basically, this tool I like to use called ahrefs.com allows me to see the value of backlinks and see exactly what they're valued at, see a website backend. So this is linked up with Google Analytics, and I could see exactly real time what everything looks like. So you have 12 backlinks right now, meaning you have 12 sites. Well, this means you have 8 sites linking back to you 12 times. Okay, so you have 12 backlinks total coming from 8 different sites, with 93 keywords that you currently are being found for, and 29 people on average every month coming to your site. Not bad, but you're paying for ads as well on top of that, and ads are great for starting up a company, but organically is how you should rank. You should start ads when you first start a company, and then you just start being found for your name for things you do. So if you want to be found for being a lawyer in Charleston, then hey, I would suggest targeting it. If you want to be found for an employment attorney, hey, in Charleston, then hey, get targeted. But right now, I saw that you guys just weren't doing that, so I wanted to help you guys out. I could see that you guys are being ranked for your name, and that's great. Number one for your name, but hey, I'm going to show you how to rank for other things. So basically, you can see that you have 3 backlinks coming from the 0 to 10 range, 9 from the 10 to 20. So lower quality, as you can tell. I make these higher quality backlinks and send those to you so that you have that coming in, and makes it so that you have more authority. You need these higher relative backlinks basically linking in, and basically once you get those in, Google can say, wow, you guys are being ranked you guys deserve to be ranked for these words because you have those types of sites linking back to you. David Ayler, you can see he's pulled up right now. He has 5,000 backlinks. They're only coming from 169 domains, which isn't that great. It's actually going to start looking spammy to Google after a little while. 1,700 keywords that he's got total ranking for. 1,100 people on average every month coming to his site. You can see the value here. He's got 21 2 to 3s, 5 3 to 4s, and 1 4 to 5. So those are the ones that are doing most for him. You can see 2,700 0 to 10s and 2,200 10 to 20s. That's okay, but mostly because he has so much of those lower qualities compared to everybody else, he's really outbeating everybody else here. Quick recap of what we talked about. We talked about content. We talked about how to rank how you need 1,500 words. Citations. To rank in this area right here, you're definitely going to need those citations. 104, that's what this guy has. But hey, I would suggest you get just 100 and you'll be all right. I can submit 150, 200 easy to you guys to really put you to the top there. But hey, it's really up to you guys on your own. What you guys want to do. And then you also need more backlinks. You saw your competitor here had 5,000, so you got some work to do if you want to really beat that. Alright, so look forward to talking to you guys. Hopefully you guys will give me a call, and if you do want to give me a call, my number is right here, 407-978-7759. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Once again, that number is 407-978-7759. Either way you guys want to go with it, you guys can do this yourselves or give me a call. I would say I'm a great tool for your arsenal. But hey, in the end, it's up to you. Hopefully talk to y'all soon. Bye.